table and then work with the ratios. So you can go to your previous notes for me, please, and assist me in of course, entering the values in table. We know that 0 degrees is 0 radian. You should know that by now. I know that 30 degrees, I believe, is pi over 6 radian. You can please check that for me. 45, I believe, is
Yes.
pi over 4. 60, I believe, is pi over 3. And then, of course, 90 is pi over 2. Am I correct? Note, I am not
Yes, sir.
putting the radian symbol because the word radian is at the top of the column. Yes?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Now, let me show you a little trick about sine. And sine is actually the key component of this of trigonometry. Let me show you a little trick. When you're looking at sine, think of a number line between 0 and 1. Okay? Think about a number line between 0 and 1. And that means that this is a half. That means that this is 1/4. That means that this is 3/4. Do you agree? Guys? Guys?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. But
Yes, sir.
remember that trigonometry deals with surds, which means that if I square root each value, what will I get? Well, the square root of 0 is 0, right? The square root of 1/4 would be a half. Do you agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All right. The square root of this would be 1 over root of 2, which of course we have to rationalize, and we will get root 2 over 2. Yes?
Yes, sir.
3/4 would then be root of 3 over 2. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
And then the root of 1, well, is obviously 1. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Well, that is sine. Sine of 0 is 0. Sine of 30 is a half. Sine of 45 is root of 2 over 2. The sine of 60 is root of 3 over 2. And then, of course, the root of 1 is 1. How do you like that one? Questions? See how easy it works out? I noticed that, for example, in places like Europe and Mexico and Central America, they consider it like this: 0, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4, and then they square root it to get the same value. And you'll notice you'll get the same thing. You'll get 0, half, root of 2 over 2, root of 3 over 2, and 1. Isn't that interesting? You see how easy it is? You don't have to go back and look at the triangles that you did. Notice, guys?
So this method could work for any other else.
Hold up, take it easy, relax, relax. Now, for the cosine is kind of the reverse of sine. So you will start at 1 and end at 0. So instead of going down, this time we're going to read it upwards. So instead of going down, this time we're gonna read it this way. So we'll have 1, we'll have root of 3 over 2, root of 2 over 2, and the half, then the 0 for the cosine. So as I said, sine is the key. Because once you have sine, then cosine is the reverse. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now in the tangent, the easiest way to remember the tangent is a division. Tangent is a division. So what we will be doing is we will be dividing. Let me erase this thing that I have here. The tangent, we're gonna be doing the division. So we'll say for this one, 0 divided by 1 is obviously 0, right? This will be 1 divided by root of 3, which you know is root of 3 over 3. The reason why is because, remember, if I have a half and I divide by root of 3 over 2, remember that when I have a fraction, the division turns to multiplication and this flips over. So that means the 2's will cancel and I'm gonna get 1 over root of 3. And that will happen to all the denominators that you see. All these denominators, that will happen, okay? So what will happen to root of 2? Root of 2 divided by root of 2, what is that? What is root of 2 divided by root of 2?
1.
1, right? So the next one will be root of 3 over 1, which is just gonna be simply root of 3. And then 1 divided by 0 is what? That's 1 divided by 0.
9 or
Error.
undefined?
Error.
Don't call it error. What do we call it? We call
Undefined.
it undefined. So we use this little symbol to signify undefined.